I never saw this before. Look at this. Danger. Keep out. L&I. This is, I think it's St. Laurentius in Fishtown. It's at Memphis and Berks. It closed down in 2010. The developer who owns it, he put in an application for demolition. It was said that, you see the L&I signs. The building's not safe. If you look, there's netting on the towers. I'm going to be allowed to go inside here real quick. Oregon. These paintings are absolutely beautiful. And even the archways, you can see the windows. Look, they still have the Dixie cups. These are the steps that you use to go up the tower. Almost a ladder, but they qualify as steps. And this is the bell inside the bell tower. There's a bell here, a bell here. Oh, wow. So this was the first Polish church in Philadelphia. But this is one of the old church hymnals from 2010. Wow. They still have the stuff from the church bulletin up from when it closed. Look at that. They still have... the kneelers. That's crazy. Oh, they got confessionals? Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Non-Catholics, let me explain to you how this works. When that light's lit, that means the priest is in there. And then you tell the guy sitting there everything bad you did. And then he tells you to say 3 Hail Marys and you get to go to heaven.
Until the next sin.
Right. Yeah. Until you go out, until you go across the street and stub your toe and say shit, and you got to go back to church. I don't know. After being in there, it's a beautiful building, and I really appreciate the opportunity I was getting inside there. There's nothing really. What do you do with a church? There was a few inspectors that went in there. It said the building's not safe. Neighbors from across the street are excited to see it go because it's just an abandoned building. So, here.